Happy Potato Day! I don't know if today is Potato Day, but in my kitchen today it's Potato Day because I have a lot of new, freshly from the farmer's market, freshly new potatoes, and they are so adorable. And today we will make them baked potatoes. Such an easy, such an interesting and such a delicious recipe. What we need? We need some carrots. Okay, I use some carrots because I have some leftovers, but most of all we need some new potatoes with skin. It's really nice that you have with skin. And then we cut them in half because they are not so big, and we cut them on half. La 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 la. I don't know how you, but I really like potatoes because potatoes is so simple to make and it's so delicious and everybody likes. Vegetarian, vegan, everything eater and everybody likes potatoes. And this potato will be inspired a little bit of Italian, like 90% of my recipes, because I really love Italian and Italian spices and everything connected with Italian. I hope that you understand that you need to wash your potatoes. Mine are washed, they are dirty, look dirty, but they are washed. And okay, and carrots we cut in some circles as well. What you prefer. If you have more carrots, you can put more. I just have some my dying leftover. Okay, and what we need to do, we take our bowl with potatoes. Oh, okay, you can cut the 3 or 4 or 2, or you can leave it out as well, the garlic. If you don't like garlic, you can leave it out, but for example, I just put them in my baking tray because of the wonderful smell, and they give really nice taste to potatoes, and you don't need to eat them all. And put here, and the second glove, and the third one. Okay. Okay, what we need to do now, we need to put a salt. Yes, I know for potatoes we need quite a lot of salt because I think I don't have no more salt. Few minutes later. In my house, salt is never ended. Okay. I know it looks really a lot, but it's not. Okay, I think it's approximately half till the normal teaspoon. And the pepper, remember that freshly ground pepper is always the best choice. If you don't like the spicy things, you can leave it out or put a little bit. Okay, now we can put a little bit of garlic and freshly, no, they are not freshly, but it's like mixture with garlic powder and a little bit of greens. I really like this because garlic powder gives the different taste like raw garlic. And if you don't have, for example, raw garlic, you can put this garlic powder as well. And nobody knows that you will put the garlic. Okay, garlic powder in. And now we put a lot of spices, and this is called Italian spice or Provence spice. There is a thyme, rosemary, lavender, and something more. but whichever you prefer, Italian spice. And I have some thyme tree in my house, that's why I put here. Now I can put my carrots as well. Whoops, flying carrot baby. And I usually put a little bit of turmeric. Nobody will know that you put some turmeric, but it will be more healthy for you and better, and the color will be more yellowish. And of course the oil, but I don't put a lot of oil. Maybe I need to measure. No, it's like, it's done. You don't need to put a lot of oil, because too much oil is not just grossy texture, but it's not so very nice for you. And but it's become really soggy if you put too much oil as well. Okay, and now we need to do massage. Remember that everybody loves massage, including me. But every vegetable, the meat, that everything love massage. Okay, you see? Oh, the smell is so incredible. You don't need to do nothing with your baking tray, because this is with oil. And now if you want to make that your potatoes are a little bit crispy and with this beautiful skin, you can do like this and put the oven. No, you need to make some space for each potato. You see, you need to make some space. Because the air will like go through them and they will cook properly and nicer. And of course you can garnish this potato with the salads which you prefer. I think the green salads will be the perfect, something fresh, or you can use the beetroot salad. For me today it will be a beetroot salad with the beans and some nuts, but you can choose whatever you want. I think sometimes I will show you this salad as well. And we are finishing. Okay, and the carrots you can put like this. Okay, and garlic as well. Okay, if someone asks if you can make in the air fryer, perhaps, but I don't know. I know that this works in oven, but in air fry you can try, and then you can write in the comments. Okay, this will bake in oven, preheated 180 degree Celsius, not Fahrenheit. Celsius, I think approximately 40 minutes, but you will see that they will start to be more brown and more delicious and not raw. Okay, see you soon. And you can see, there is these brown spots and they are crispy. That means they are ready. I think we need to try. But it's so hot. Ta-da! Really nice. I think I will. Hot. Really nice. I think I put some cheese on it and make some salad, and I will eat my dinner. Okay guys, I hope that you like it, love it, taste it, make it, and see you. Okay guys, and one more tip. 10 minutes before ending I put in a little bit higher heat. It's 210 degrees, and I put this grill regime. That means that there is just roasting regime, maybe, I don't know how it's. I hope that that's why they have such a nice texture and this crispiness. And if you want that your this side of potato is more crispy as well, you can just turn around and everything will be okay.